Good afternoon, students. Chapter number 8, Windows. Chapter summary and exercise. Chapter pages 16 to 22. Our topic is Computer Knowledge Standard 4. Students, let's see chapter summary and exercise. We have learned already this chapter, but let's knowledge standard 4th. See this chapter number 4, Windows. Main functions of computer are input, processing and output. Hardware. Hardware. All the parts of a computer that you can see and touch, it's called hardware. Hardware. The hardware, keyboard, mouse, monitor, printer, CPU box, all hardware. Software. The instruction needed by a computer to do all the work is called software. You cannot see or touch software, only feel. Operating system, the software that actually helps the computer to run, is called the operating system. Then Windows. The most computer use popular operating system is called Microsoft Windows, popularly known just only Windows. Starting Windows, we learn how to start window. When you switch on the computer start automatically, you can see the screen many small pictures. This main screen of Windows is called desktop. See this desktop. This is also desktop. See this. All minimize. See this. This is desktop. Okay. So this is small icons. See this start button. This is start button also. Icons. Taskbar. See this is taskbar. Mouse pointer. See this, my mouse pointer is moving different places. So this is mouse pointer. This is desktop. See this empty space, all screen is desktop. Then see this clock. See this right here, clock. Icons, a small pictures that you see on the desktop are called icons. Taskbar, the bar the bar at the bottom of the desktop. See this bottom of the desktop is called taskbar. Okay, the right side the taskbar you can see the clock. See this. Now start menu. See this, there is no start menu, there is apps directly. Okay, by categories, by names, by date installed and most uses. Okay, different you can select this list also. Now see this escape button. See this, I am clicking here on start button, right click. See this, like that. Menu, start menu. This is operating system Windows 98. Then sub menu. After that see this sub menu. See this start button. When you click left mouse button on start, then list will be appear on our screen. See this program, this arrow called some programs. See this sub menu carefully. Item right arrow. Some items on have small right arrow. See this, some items. See this one, documents, settings and such items have right arrow. Highlighted, you will see another menu to the right. This menu is called submenu. See this menu is called submenu. For example, you place mouse pointer on programs, you will see submenu right here. See this program submenu right here. This submenu, you can see the name of some of the programs in your computer, some items. On this submenu also have right arrow. This is mean that each of these items have a submenu. Okay. Now shutting down window. When your work will complete, place mouse pointer start button taskbar and click left mouse button. But there is you have to click mouse right button and then shut down or sign out windows. You can shut down also. Shut down and click mouse left button. You can see a rectangular box. It is called dialog box. See this dialog box. Shut down windows. This is 2000 professional operating system, but there is, see this, there is Windows 98 operating system. Okay. This dialog will ask you what do you want to the computer to do. See this, what do you want to the computer to do. Now shutdown will automatically appear below the question. See this, shutdown automatically appear below the question. Okay. Now you will see the following messages one by one on screen. Closing the network connection, saving your settings with Windows is shutting down, and then it is now safe to turn off your computer. Okay. So after you see the last message on screen, see this last message on screen, you can switch off the computer. Okay. Now the exercise, see this, some option is here. In Windows, a list of commands is called menus. Second, when you click on start button. Third, shut down the Windows, click on shutdown. Then all the parts of computer you can see and touch called hardware. The software that actually runs the computer is called operating system. Next, name the following with the help of the words given in the brackets. Okay. Taskbar, start, icons, desktop, mouse pointer. See the main X screen of Windows desktop. The small pictures that you see on the Windows screen icons. The bar, that the button of the bottom of the text box taskbar. The small arrow on the Windows screen mouse pointer. The small button on the left hand side of the taskbar. Answer the following question. All the part of the computer that you can see and touch is called hardware. Software. The instruction needed by a computer to all the work is called software. We cannot see or touch softwares. What is operating system? The software that actually helps the computers turn to run. It's called the operating system. What is desktop? The main screen of the Windows is called desktop. What is mouse pointer? When we move the mouse on the mouse pad, we see a small arrow moving on the screen. It shows the pointing of the mouse on the screen, and so that arrow is called mouse pointer. The small pictures that you see on the desktop are called icons. Given below the steps shut down Windows, read them carefully and fill in the blanks with the help of the word given in the brackets. See this, start, OK and shut down. See this, click on start button on the taskbar. You will see the start menu. On the start menu, click on shutdown. You will see a dialog box. The dialog box asks you what do you want the computer to do, and the word shutdown will appear below it. Click on OK button to Windows will shut down. So this is the part of video and chapter. So please solve exercise into your workbook. I'll see you next chapter. Notepad. Bye.